Are you aware of the 4 ways to produce income? So kung hindi pa, pag-uusapan natin yan. We have the 4 cash flow quadrant kasi po, di ba? So first, we have the employees. Second, we have the self-employed. Third, we have the business owner. And fourth, we have the investors. So first, pag-uusapan natin ang employee side. If we are employee, ito yung mga pumapasok ng 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 8 hours a day. So you have a job but no leverage. And our active works determines our income. So kung ano lang yung ginagawa natin sa buong maghapon, employees trading time para mabayaran tayo. So we are working for money. No leverage at all, 5% yung wealth lang natin dito. Kasi kahit anong sabihin natin, there's no way that we become successful or we can get our dreams. Pwede makuha ang dreams pero matagal. Walang leverage, hindi ka makikita while sleeping. Second, we will be talking about the self-employed. So, sino-sino nga ba yung mga self-employed? So, ibig sabihin ang self-employed, you own a job. Sarili mo yung trabaho. Pag-aari mo yung trabaho. So, ito yung may mga shop, may mga clinics, merong mga office na pag-aari. Our income determines kung gaano natin katagal tinatrabaho in a day. So, there's no leverage at all din. And 95% of our population merong ganitong work. So, ito yung mga self-employed na tinatawag. So, walang leverage. Next, pupunta na po tayo sa business owner. So, if you are a business owner, meron kang leverage, people work for you. You own a system, meron kang sistema na ginagawa, and your income does not depend on the active work na ginagawa natin sa buong maghapon or sa buong araw or sa 24 hours a day na meron tayo. You can earn while sleeping kasi tao na yung gagawa or tao na yung magtatrabaho for you, for us. Yun yung tinatawag na business owner. And you have a 95% of wealth. Ayun yung pinagkakaiba ng employee, self-employed, and business owner. And then the next one, we have the investor, which is 5% of our population lang ang investors talaga. And your income does not depend on the active work. Dito na tinatawag yung money work for us. So, ito na yung mag-i-invest ka or yung pera mo na yung nagtatrabaho for you. Pero bago tayo mapunta sa investors, kailangan muna natin dumaan sa business owners bago maging investor. Kasi how can you invest if you don't have a business, di ba?